Thank you for watching DLM Tutoring. I'm Justin, and today we're going to learn how to subtract decimals using a supply list that we've been using in our series so far. Let's go ahead and read our question. 5 Aurora Hills Middle School students, 6th graders, are buying supplies at the local Target for $210.25. They received a discount of 15%, and that gave them $31.54 off. How much do the supplies cost before tax? Now, when I look at this question, I want to go ahead and think about some of the important information here. I know that I'm talking about 5 students. I also know the amount of money that they spent, the discount, and how much money that took off. So by knowing this information, I can use what's relevant to the question in order to answer. I know that when I'm subtracting decimals that I'm going to need to line up my decimals by the decimal point. This is very important. When you are subtracting decimals, line up your decimals by the decimal point. So if I'm subtracting my total of $210.25 minus the discount of $31.54, I'm going to make sure those decimals are lined up, which I have. Now I can go ahead and subtract. 4 from 5 is 1. Then I get over here, I can't take 5 from 2, but I'm gonna have to borrow from some of the other places. I can't borrow from here, but I can borrow here. This turns into a 0. This turns into a 10, but I still need to get over here, so I'm going to cut this down, borrow 1 from a 9, or from a 10 to a 9, and now I have 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. 0, I can't take 3 away from 0, so I'm going to have to borrow again. This 2 turns into a 1. And this 0 turns into a 10, allowing me to subtract and leaving me with 7. I bring down the dollar, or the 1, and now I know that after a 15% discount, the school supplies are going to cost a total of $178.71. Now it's important to remember, when you are subtracting decimals, just like adding decimals, you're going to line up those decimal points. Thank you for watching DLM Tutoring. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe. You can find us on Twitter, Instagram, and of course on YouTube. See you next time on DLM Tutoring.